Dear kids, this is a sand boa. It spends most of its time hidden beneath the sand and slowly searches for food. Kids, this is a vine snake. Its slender body helps it blend easily among trees and leaves. Dear kids, this is a blind snake. It burrows underground and searches for tiny insects. Kids, this is a cobra. When it feels threatened, it spreads its hood to warn enemies. Dear kids, this is a wolf snake. It is more active at night and hunts small animals. Kids, this is a green snake. Its green color helps it hide easily among trees and bushes. Dear kids, this is an egg-eater snake. It can swallow eggs whole without breaking them. Kids, this is a flying snake. It can glide through the air by launching itself from trees. Dear kids, this is a keelback snake. It prefers to live near ponds and rivers. Kids, this is a rat snake. It helps farmers by reducing the number of rats in fields. Dear kids, this is a python. It uses its powerful body to squeeze and capture its prey. Kids, this is a bronzeback tree snake. It can move very quickly through the trees. Dear kids, this is a checkered keelback. It is an excellent swimmer and is skilled at catching fish. Kids, this is a cat snake. Its eyes help it find prey even in the dark. Dear kids, this is a water snake. It spends most of its time near water. Kids, this is a crate. It hides during the day and comes out at night. Dear kids, this is a kukri snake. Its specially shaped teeth make it unique. Kids, this is a tree snake. It can glide smoothly and easily along tree branches. Dear kids, this is a glossy snake. Its skin appears slightly shiny in the sunlight. Kids, this is an earth boa. It hides beneath the soil and patiently waits for prey.